Do you remember that dream that stirs your heart and lights up your smile? You can do it. You should do it. Not only for your own good, but for that of the world. We need happy people. You can do it. The child that lives within you is excited at the very thought of it. Trust in him. Every one of us has a gift, something that makes you special and unique. Don't let anyone deceive you. You are great. Take the risk, because life flows and we flow with it. Don't keep it all inside. Rivers follow their course. The sea, its currents. The sun, its mission. You can achieve anything you want. Remember who you are and recover your strength. Become a beacon in the middle of the path. Let your light encourage others to do their best. You should do it. It's time for you to try it. It's time for us to shine. Don't let anyone tell you what to do. Switch off your mind. Listen to your heart. Do you remember that dream? With courage, you can do it.